Last we discuss the mass mole conversion, and today after mass mole conversion we have a new topic, the percentage composition and molecular formula. Clear? So first of all we understand what is the percentage composition, and second we will discuss about the molecular formula, the empirical and your this topic. Clear? So what is the percentage composition? Suppose you have A plus B are giving AB. Clear? You have a reaction A plus B is giving AB. You want to know what is the percentage, yeah, you can say what is the contribution of A and B in the formation of AB. यानी कि इस A ने और इस B ने कितना contribute किया to formation of AB. And we know that in our first chapter we are discussing about the mass, the molar mass. So we can say that how many percentage of this A mass is contribute to formation of AB. It is clear? So what we do to finding the percentage composition? First of all, you have A and B. So remember, and there is one things, don't go for any formula. There are many concepts to learn the percentage composition and your other things. So what you do? The same things, write the mass of A. Simple, write the mass of A. Mass of A upon the total mass of compound. Because आपको क्या निकालना है? कंपाउंड के अंदर निकालना है किसी A और B का मास परसेंटेज. तो you can write simple total mass of compound. Total mass that means किसका मास? इस AB का मास. Total mass I am writing here किसका निकाल रहे हैं? AB का निकाल रहे हैं. And for the percentage composition, we have to write into 100. So this is your formula to calculate the percentage composition. ठीक है? No need to remember any typical formula. आपको जिसका परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन निकालना होगा उसका मास हमेशा कहाँ आएगा? ऊपर आएगा. ठीक है? And total percentage will comes in down. And by into 100. This is called your percentage composition. For examples, you have H2O. You have H2O, water. You want to know what is the percentage composition of hydrogen and oxygen in H2O. So I am writing here the H percentage and the O percentage. आपको सिंपल ये जानना है कि इस H2O इस वाटर के अंदर इस हाइड्रोजन और इस ऑक्सीजन का कितना मास कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है. क्लियर? So क्या करना था? Suppose you are finding two mass percentage of hydrogen. So mass of hydrogen upon the total mass of H2O. So what is the mass of hydrogen? We all know that 1 upon the mass of H2O. 1 into 2 plus 16. That means the 18. 18 is the mass of H2O. So 1 upon 18. And remember how many atoms of hydrogen are combined together? 2. So into 2. Clear? And for mass percentage, you have into 100. Clear? So solve it. You have 2 upon 18. You can write here in this manner the 200 upon 18 you have. Clear? And the second things, you have the mass percentage of oxygen. We are calculating oxygen. Action have only one atom. So you have 16 upon 18 into 100. Clear? So this is a mass percentage into mass percentage because now it is comes in percentage. So this is a mass percentage of HNO in H2O. You can do a simple things to check your answer. It is right or wrong. So you add these two to having the 100. क्लियर? क्योंकि आपने मास परसेंटेज निकाला, आपने कोई कंपाउंड जनरेट किया, तो उस कंपाउंड के अंदर कितना कंपोजिशन होगा? 100 कंपोजिशन होगा. कितना परसेंटेज होगा? 100% होगा. सो अगर इन दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद यू विल गेट द 100. सो दैट मीन दिस इज करेक्ट, अदरवाइज नॉट. सो इट इज द चेकिंग मेथड ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. सो विल ऐड फर्स्ट you have the 200 upon 18 plus you have 16 upon 18 into 100. Clear? So add this one. You have, we'll write in the simple manner, the 2 upon 18 and the 16 upon 18. It will come 18 upon 18 into 100 is the common. So I'm taking it outside. This 200, the 100 is common. It's and the 2 plus 16, because this is the same. 2 plus 16, 18 upon 18 into 100. So 18 cancel by 18. So it will come 1 into 100. So that means 100. Clear? So your answer is coming the 100. That means your answer is correct one. Clear? So this way we find the percentage composition. You have the many question like you have the glucose C6H12O6. Find the percentage composition of all elements in the glucose. Like you have CH4. The question is that find the percentage composition of carbon and hydrogen in methane. So it's your question. So what we do? The mass of carbon 12 upon the total mass of CH4 plus the mass of hydrogen upon the total mass of CH4 into 100. It's your percentage composition. Very simple things. Percentage composition. The mass percentage composition, you have the empirical and molecular formula. In the under the molecular formula, you can say the formula mass. So how we calculate the empirical and molecular formulas? So first of all, understand what is empirical and what is the molecular formula. The first thing you have the empirical and second you have the molecular formula. To finding the molecular formula, you have to need an empirical formula. Empirical formula means that you can say only the structure. Only the structure. Only structure. That means आपको structures पता होना चाहिए कि in any formula how many atoms are combining. You can say this empirical formula gives a simplest whole number ratio of various element present in any compound. किसी कंपाउंड के अंदर कौन कौन से एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट हैं ये कौन बताएगा आपको? इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला बताएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल्स विल टेक फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. यू हैव द हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. हाइड्रोजन peroxide. We all know that the formula of hydrogen peroxide. Clear? But empirical formula says that the how many atoms or elements are present in a particular compound. In hydrogen peroxide, you see that here is one H and here is one O. That means the ratio of H ratio O of the atoms are 1:1. In empirical formula, आपने कहा हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड के अंदर क्या है? वन इज द हाइड्रोजन, वन इज द ऑक्सीजन, एंड देयर रेशियो ऑफ एटम्स. आई एम सेइंग द रेशियो ऑफ एटम ओनली. तो रेशियो ऑफ एटम इज 1:1. That means the one atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen is present in the empirical formula. But in molecular formula says that the actual number of element present in a formula. That means here you can say the actual number of atom your element. यानी कि कितने number of atoms present है आपके पास in the actual. Clear? Like the empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide is HO, but molecular formula is H2O2. This H2O2 is the correct one, and we say that this is the formula for hydrogen peroxide. You can say this is the molecular formula, and empirical formula gives only the structural information to you, like how many atoms are present, only this one. But it says that the actual number of atoms are present in the formula. So how we calculate, how we generate the empirical and molecular formula of any compound from the given information? Clear? This is very important topic, and very important question comes from this topic in your examination. The empirical, to find the empirical and the molecular formula. Clear? Before finding this one, we discuss a small topic, that means the finding of moles. finding of moles. I discussed you before, but here finding of moles. The simple things, we have a formula. Generally, we have the three formulas to finding the moles. The first formula we derive when mass is given. When mass is given. Suppose आपको किसी का moles निकालना है and you have the given mass. So how we calculate? We calculate the mass given upon the total mass. Total mass, that means you can say this is the molecular mass. You can say simply the molar mass. This is molar mass. Molar mass. किसका molar mass? जिस कंपाउंड का आप मोल्स निकाल रहे हैं. क्लियर? सपोज आपको किसी कंपोजिशन के अंदर दिया है कार्बन हैविंग द 12 point something mass and you have to calculate the moles of carbon. So what we do? The mass given, कितना mass दिया था? 12. And what is the molar mass of carbon? Is 12. So 12 by 12, that means the 1 moles is present in this composition. Clear? So this is, I am giving here only one formula to calculate the moles, but remain we have the two formulas. One is based on the atoms and one is based on the volume. Clear? So first of all, here we calculate the empirical and molecular formula without going deep in molecular empirical formulas differentiation. We'll do the differentiation after that to calculating the empirical and molecular formula. So let us start how we calculate the empirical and molecular formula. Of an organic compound is 78 and its percentage composition is 92.4% of carbon and the 7.6% hydrogen. Determine empirical formula and we have molecular formula. So first of all, see that in this composition you have only two elements. The one is the carbon and one is the hydrogen. Clear? Only two elements you have. So first of all, we'll make a table to arrange our question. Clear? So first things you have element present. Second, it's given. Second, the atomic mass. Whose this element present. Third, given percentage. Here you can say the given mass. This is the mass. We'll replace the percentage and we donate it or notate it only the given mass. So I am writing here the mass. Given mass. These things are given to you. And the next one you have the number of moles. Number of moles are present. Next you have simple ratio. This one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps. The first, the element present. Second, atomic mass. Third, given percentage mass. Then next, number of moles, and then simple ratio. And then we can make here also another table called the simple whole number ratio. So see here, you have the two elements are present only. The first, we have the carbon present. Clear? What is the mass of carbon? 12. We all know the 12. And given percentage कितना कार्बन का? 92.4. 92.4. We'll replace the percentage and change into the mass. The next things we'll do further. Second, you have the hydrogen. What's the mass of hydrogen? 1. Given percentage is 7.6. 7.6. Clear? So now, this we have the given information. First they calculate the number of moles. How we calculate number of moles? Here, the given mass you have and total mass you know. So what's the formula? The given mass upon total mass. So given mass is the 92.4 by 12. So approximately it becomes around the 7.7. 7.7 approximately. Clear? And calculate again number of moles for hydrogen. So given 7.6 and total atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 7.6 upon 1 is equal to 7.6. Okay. This you have number of moles. Now here we find the simple ratio. For simple ratio हम क्या करेंगे, हम इन दोनों में से सबसे छोटी डिजिट देखेंगे. We find the smallest digit in number of moles and divide by this smallest digit to both one. नंबर ढूंढा, जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा उससे हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों को ही क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. सो इन दिस टू, दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 7.6. सो आपको डिवाइड करना है 7.6 से, इसको भी और इसको भी. सो 7.7 अपॉन 7.6, तो इट बिकम्स 1.01 या समथिंग 1. Here you can say directly the 1, and second you have the 7.6 upon 7.6 is equal to 1. Clear? 1 and 1. So we'll make a next step here, the simple whole number ratio. The simple whole number ratio. Clear? If your digits are not in the whole number, so we will change into this number to whole number. So now there is a whole number 1. So we'll write here 1 and 1. Now it is very clear, the one atom of carbon and one atom of hydrogen are combined to form this composition. So you have the simple ratio C ratio H is equal to 1 ratio 1. So you can say the empirical formula of this composition is CH. Is CH. Clear? Now second question you have, this is the empirical formula. Second question to find the molecular formula. So find the molecular formula. The formula is that the given upon total, the same things. So first of all we calculate this one, molecular mass. Clear? And second you have the molecular mass of organic compound is 78. Clear? So do empirical formula. We calculated the empirical formula CH, and do one things, calculate the molecular mass of this empirical formula. So molecular mass, that means the 12 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that means the 13 is the empirical formula mass. And second, we have the molecular mass of organic compound. So we find the small n. This small n is stand for the number of moles. Number of moles, again the same formula, the given upon total. Given upon total. Given mass upon total mass. Given mass is you have the 78. 78 upon, you have the total empirical mass. You can write here total empirical mass. You have the 6. So it becomes 13. Total empirical mass is 13. We calculated. So solve it. 13 into 6. Clear? So this is your number of moles n. So molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. N into empirical formula. And you have the 6 into empirical formula. You have the CH. We calculated this CH. So what is the formula mass? Yeah, from molecular formula. This 6 into 6 into 6. So formula is C6H6. Multiply this 6 here, not in the coefficient. Clear? So formula is C6H6 because you have the 1C and the 1H, 1 into 6, 6 and 1 into 6 into 6. So formula is C6H6. So this is the way to find the empirical formula as well as molecular formula. And the molecular formula mass is N into empirical formula. Clear? Or what is the N? N stands for the number of moles of this composition. Clear? Second example for you from NCERT. The question is, determine the empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has the 69.9% of iron and 31% oxygen by mass. The question, the same. So I made here a table. The same table, the element, atomic mass, the percentage composition, moles, simple ratio and simple whole number ratio. So the elements are present, the Fe and O only. You have the Fe and second you have the O. So atomic mass of Fe, iron 56 and the atomic mass of oxygen, we all know that 16. And the given percentage 69.9 and second 31.1. These three things you have the given. The third, to find the moles. So how we find the moles? We all know that moles, that mean the given upon total. Given upon total, that mean the 69.9 upon 56. And second you have 30.1 upon 16. 30.1 upon 16. So it becomes approximately the 1.25 and this 1.88. Clear? Next step you have the simple ratio. Simple ratio में क्या करना था? छोटी डिजिट को लेके डिवाइड करना था दोनों को. So small digit is 1.25. So here 1.25 upon 1.25 is comes only 1 and the 1.88 upon 1.25 is comes approximately 1.5. The next step we have the simple whole number ratio. Simple whole number ratio, that means the 1 is in the whole number, but 1.25 is not come in the whole number. So we make this 1.5 to whole number. यानी कि हमको एक ऐसा डिजिट लेना होगा जिससे हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें या इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें टू मेक ए होल नंबर. क्या नंबर हो सकता है? यू विल सर्च इट. 1 is in whole number, 1.25 is not. So I am multiplying this 1.25 by 2. Suppose here the 1 into 2, that means the 2, and second 1.5 into 2, that means the 3. Now 3 is in whole number and 2 also. Clear? So this is the way to make your simple ratio to whole number ratio. So now what is the ratio of Fe and O? You have the Fe ratio O. Fe, you have the 2. That means the 2 and the O, you have 3. So what is the empirical formula? Fe2O3. So formula is Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is your empirical formula. Fe के कितने आइटम्स हैं? 2. O के कितने आइटम्स हैं? 3. So empirical formula is Fe2O3. So this is the way to calculate the empirical formula. But remember, there is no question to relate with the molecular formula. And we are not able to calculate the molecular formula for this situation because there is no given molecular mass of this oxide. जब तक आपको molecular mass given नहीं होगा तब तक आप नहीं निकाल सकते हैं molecular formula. But after that we'll calculate it. But here will not.